to do an activity, and it's going to be involving bingo. Daquan, wait 1 minute. Okay, go put it in your name bucket. Go put it in your name bucket. And we're going to sing the song. Who knows what song we're going to sing? Bingo! And we have some cards that spell out bingo. And Ms. Danielle wants you guys to put them in the order that spells bingo, just like on the puppet. So, Oliver, pick up what letter comes first. Which letter comes first in bingo? Which letter? Let's see. There's the letter. Can you find the matching letter? Good job. Okay, sit down and hold it. Emiya, can you find this matching letter? The I, the letter I. Good job. Michael, can you find the letter N? Good job, Michael. Khadijah, can you find the letter G? Good job. And I'll do the letter O. So Oliver, put yours first. We got B. Emiya, what letter do you got? I. Put that one next. Michael, what letter do you have? Yep, put it right next to the I. And Khadijah, what letter do you have? G. Good job. And then Miss Danielle's going to put, good job, Khadijah. Miss Danielle's going to put the O. And now we're going to sing the song. You ready? You got to sing it with me. We got to sing it so everyone can hear it. Okay.
Then we can get some marshmallows?
Maybe. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O. And Bingo was his name. Okay, Miss Danielle's going to let you hold the cards while we sing this time. We're going to sing it one more time. You get the I, Miss, N, Michael, you get the G. I want you to hold two letters. Can you hold two letter cards for me? The G and the O. Now let's sing it one more time, and you're gonna hold your letter cards like this, like I'm holding my puppet while we're singing. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. B-I